my God, I am leaving my kingdom and going away. I don't want to stay in this kingdom. Everybody are lazy, everybody are sleepy. They eat and they sleep. I'm leaving this place. Bye, kingdom. Wow, what a beauty. Who are you?
I am Princess Myra.
Princess Myra. Wow.
I belong to the kingdom of Vasai, to the happy kingdom of Vasai.
Happy kingdom of Vasai? Happy kingdom? Happy kingdom? Oh, come on. My kingdom is the best kingdom. We just sleep, eat, and sleep.
You have not experienced a happy kingdom. So today I will take you to a real tour of happiness, the kingdom of Vasai.
Wow, I'm so excited to see that.
You will get to see beautiful beaches, lovely restaurants, and many such exciting ventures.
Wow, I'm already getting mesmerized by your words. Let us go on the journey.
Sure, come with me, follow me. Pray is coming closer to God. When we speak our thoughts, God hears us and He blesses us in a special way. On this special day, let us give importance to our children, for they are innocent, and let us celebrate their innocence and purity. For they are our future. They are the building blocks of the future. Let us then celebrate this Children's Day with fun, frolic, and thrill.
But who prays? In my kingdom, nobody prays. Nobody has the time to pray. As I told you, we eat, sleep, and eat.
You should indulge in prayer. Indulge in prayer once and you'll realize the divinity, the blissfulness of prayer.
Okay, we'll see that. Come on, let's see the prayer.
Kindly join your hands, close your eyes, and bow down your head for the prayer. O gracious Lord, we give you thanks and praise for the precious gift of children. Fill each child with fresh enthusiasm and a heart that is excited to learn and grow. Not just the lessons from the books, but to gather knowledge from everything around them and to live this life on earth. May they stand firmly like the trees deeply rooted in the ground, like the birds soaring high in the limitless sky, like the rainbow spreading its vibrant colors in the cloudy weather, like the flowers sharing their beauty and fragrance, like the life of butterfly constantly accepting the change to transform into a new phase of life. May their lives produce every kind of good fruit at all times. We ask this to Christ our Lord. Amen.
Wow, the prayer was beautiful. I could feel the presence of God.
Truly, you have felt it. I can see that in your face.
What's next?
Next is a Mars drill.
Mars drill? I mean, what is Mars drill? Are you drilling something inside?
Not at all. It's exercises.
Exercise?
Students perform exercises guided by the PT masters. We have Danesh sir and we have Linus sir.
Wow, I'm so excited to witness that.
Surely you'll enjoy that.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Firstly, come forward. Firstly, come forward. Secondly, come forward. Third, students, come forward. Everyone take one arm distance. Take one arm distance. Yes, Cornelia, take one arm distance. Take one arm distance. Yes, Asha Bhai, Pratibha. Then sir, see there what I did. School, attention. Studies, attention. Mark time. Left, right, left. Lift up your legs up, lift up your legs up. Come on. Lift up your legs up, left. Come on. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Stop laughing, Monica. Stop laughing. Come on, lift up your legs up. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Stop. 2, 1, 2. Now we'll do some free exercise, warm-up exercise. Now place your hands forward and shake it. Faster, 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 faster. Alex, move your body. Do it like this. What are you doing? Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster. Hands up. And follow the same exercise. Hands up and follow the same exercise. Very good. Come on, come on, come on. Faster, faster. Now relax. Hands down. Hands down. Now again place your hands forward and do a wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3. Ashavali, what you are doing? Do it properly. Yes. Dana, do it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hands up and follow the same exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands down and relax. Now we'll do some standing exercise. School, attention. Studies, attention. Studies. You be in a standing position. Now I'll show you exercise number 1. So everyone look at me. Exercise number 1. Exercise begins. 1. Hands down, all hands down, look at me, order only for me. Exercise number 1, exercise begins. 1. Yes, that girl, hands down. What you are doing? Hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you all have to repeat this exercise. Attention. Exercise number 1 begins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 on the left. 7, 6, 5, 4. Next, change. Now exercise number 2. Yes, Ashavali, what you are doing? Stand properly. Stand properly. Now you will look at me. Now we will do exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 begins. 1. Hands down. Only order for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start doing exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 begins. 1, 2, 3. Ashavali.
What are you doing? You're not doing properly. Please come on.
All please. Get ready. Stop. Monica, stop laughing. No, stand here. And do exercise. Everyone look at her. And do exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. No stand. Exercise number 2. Exercise begins. 1, 2. Stand straight. Face that side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop right. Go. This time. Stop right. Now we do once again. Exercise number 2. Exercise begins. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now we will discuss it. Look at me and follow me. School dismiss. 1, 2, 3. Please stand straight. Only put your hands up. Okay, we'll do once again. School dismiss. Attention. Okay, first row, hands behind. Move towards your class. Yes, on your left. Next row, hands behind. Move towards your class.
Wow! It was incredible. I really loved the mass drill.
You really did, sir?
Yes, indeed. I loved it.
Wow, that's very wonderful.
Well, you always tell with the Avikasni students, they are so good, they are so perfect.
Yes, they
Oh,
are.
come on. But how it is possible? I've heard in your kingdom there is coronavirus. How can children come to school?
Children are not coming to school, but we do have our online classes. And teachers teach through this online classes.
All of this?
Yes,
What is that?
that is happening through the laptop, class which is registered, and then the teachers talk to the students.
Let's check that. I would love to see that.
Definitely, sir.
Hi, friends. Hi, Asabri.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Sabia. Hi, Conilda.
Hello, Pranita.
Conilda, your hairband is nice, Conilda.
Thank you.
Asavri, what is
What
that?
What is in your hand?
See, my mummy got juice for me.
Teacher has come. Teacher has come. Good morning, teacher.
Morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Teacher, we cannot hear you.
Teacher, you're mute. Teacher, you're mute.
Mute, teacher.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning,
Good
teacher.
morning,
You can tell me
teacher.
who unmuted, who muted me.
Alex.
Alex, Alex, what you are doing? You are eating now? See, Alex, your camera is on and you are eating.
Miss, you always eats in class.
You are not supposed to eat in the class.
Sorry, teacher. Sorry.
Yeah. How are you all, children?
Fine,
Fine. Conilda, your hairband looks nice, huh? Very
Thank
nice.
you, miss.
Good hairband. Is it new one?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Chalo, let's start, children.
What we will learn today?
We are going to, let me take some revision. I'll ask some questions. Okay, let me ask the first question to Blossom. Blossom, you are there? Asavri, I'll give you a chance. Don't raise your hand now. All of you mute yourself.
Miss, she always wants to answer.
No, Asavri.
You keep quiet, Conilda. You are disturbing the whole class.
Blossom, I cannot see. Can you hear me, Blossom?
Hello, teacher. Hello, can you hear me, teacher?
Yes, I can
Hello,
hear you.
teacher.
Yes, Blossom, I can hear you. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
My first question is, tell me the shortcut key to do cut.
Teacher, I think it is Control plus S.
Control plus S, that's what I... Asavri, don't do all this action. Otherwise, keep your camera off. Yeah, Blossom, did I teach you like that? Control plus
Teacher,
S is the shortcut key to do cut? No, let me
Teacher, I
ask
think so it is
Pranita.
Control plus
Pranita,
S.
tell me.
Teacher, can I answer?
Alex, mute yourself.
I have a query, teacher. Very important, sir, teacher.
Alex, let Pranita say
Teacher,
that. Asavri, what you are doing, I told you, na, sit quietly. Why you are raising your hand? And this is not like, raising hand is not like this. You have an option there, na? You have to click on that button, not like this.
Teacher, did you take the attendance?
Alex,
Teacher, did you take the attendance?
just started the class. Okay, Pranita, tell me.
Teacher, I don't know the answer.
Don't know the answer. You were there in the last class, na? Don't pay attention, huh? You simply sit like this only. Yes, Cornelda, tell me what is the answer?
Miss, the answer is Control X.
Yes, very good. She's always attentive in the
Thank you,
class.
Miss.
Very good,
Miss,
Cornelda.
clap, Miss,
All of
clap
you
for
clap for
Cornelda.
Cornelda.
Good answer, Miss. Thank you.
Miss, when the school will reopen?
Asawari, you'll get the
Teacher.
message from school. Don't ask all this. Yeah, who is sending that emoji?
Miss
Huh?
Sneha,
Stop
Sneha,
doing all
Miss.
that. Okay.
Yes, Miss. Sneha is sending emoji to me also.
Sneha,
See.
stop it. Sneha, stop it. Okay, children, Alex, you are saying something? I can't hear you. You are muted.
Teacher, I want to say, Sneha, I'm missing auntie's food, Sneha. Sorry, teacher.
What is this, Alex? No personal chat in the class.
Miss, you are looking very pretty today.
Thank you, Asawari.
Miss, she tells this to every teacher. Yes, Miss.
Cornelda, mute yourself. Mute yourself, Cornelda.
Sorry, Miss. Miss, you ask me a question.
I'll ask you a question.
You are not giving me chance.
Okay. Let me ask you Sabiha a question. Sabiha, tell me what is the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Yes, very good. Very
Thank
good.
you, teacher. Thank you for
Very
giving
attentive
me
in
a
the
chance.
class. Very good. Okay, let me take your attendance, children.
Present teacher. You're present, huh? Mark it present.
Alex, I didn't call your name. Wait for your turn.
Simply creating chaos, Miss Alex.
All of you mute yourself.
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss. Sorry, Miss.
Yeah, this Cornelda is too much. She's talking too much nowadays. Alex, this is not break. Our class is going on. You're not supposed to eat in the class. Okay. Asawari.
Present, Miss.
Asawari, I told you, no need to raise your hand like this.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Alex. Alex, can you hear me?
Present teacher. Present
Okay.
teacher. Present teacher.
Blossom.
Present teacher.
Cornelda.
Present teacher.
Pranita.
Present teacher.
Sabiha.
Present
Teacher, can I leave?
Neha.
I have puja in the house.
Wait, I didn't tell you to leave. Neha,
I have puja
you
in the
there?
house.
Miss, my roll number was 8. Did you mark me present? I was unable to unmute myself.
Okay, you're there. Yeah, I made you present. Okay, children, let's find up for today.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, teacher. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye.
Hi, friends. Hi, Blossom.
Hi, Alex.
Hi.
Alex, I hate
Hi, Alex. Hi, Sneha.
How are you all?
Good.
Good. How are you?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm so tired. Oh,
Yeah, back-to-back lectures. What happened? He fell down. He fell down. He fell down.
oh. Lord.
He fell down. See?
Sneha, your project done?
I hope he joins late. We can chit chat.
Project done? Project.
Arey, what is parent evaluation, Sneha, and teacher evaluation?
And what is self-evaluation? What is active evaluation?
I don't know anything, and my mummy also don't know anything. I want to submit my project. Sir has come.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Fine, sir. My
How are you,
favorite
Alex?
lecture is on. I'm fine, sir. My favorite lecture is going on.
Sir, Asawari is banking utensils at the place.
Yes, sir.
Asawari.
By mistakenly, sir. By mistakenly.
Okay, don't do that. Okay. Look here.
Sir,
So I
sir.
hope that Alex tell.
Sir, Asawari, it is mistakenly, okay? It's not by mistakenly.
Okay, Alex. Okay. Put up your mic. Unmute yourself. Okay. But I hope कि आपको Asawari listen to me. आपको
Yes,
प्रोजेक्ट की फाइल मिली है ना?
No, sir.
No, sir, no.
आपको कोनेल्डा जनरल में तो भेजी थी हमने।
सर डाउट है मुझे सर।
सर मुझे मिल गई।
एलेक्स बताइए प्रोजेक्ट में क्या करना है, पता है ना?
सर आशावरी कभी भी ना ऊपर स्टोर
हाँ।
नहीं करती है और वो व्हाट्सएप करती है मुझे और कॉर्नेल्डा को हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ, और उसको आप कुछ
अच्छा।
मत दीजिए।
आशावरी
सर डाउट है सर।
ओके ब्लॉसम टेल। आशावरी
Sir.
प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ। ओके ब्लॉसम बोलिए।
सर वो पेरेंट इवैल्यूएशन और सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन क्या है?
आपको देखिए, आपको सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन में आपने जो एफर्ट किए प्रोजेक्ट में उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे। ओके तो आपको उसके लिए, और पेरेंट्स ने आपको जो हेल्प की, प्रणीता वेट। ओके तो ब्लॉसम पेरेंट्स ने जो हेल्प की उनके रिगार्डिंग उनके लिए कुछ क्वेश्चन होंगे जो पेरेंट्स को लिखने होंगे। ओके
ओके सर, लेकिन आशा ने
Okay.
मुझे अलग ही बताया था।
क्या बताया था आशावरी ने आपको?
सर वो ग्रुप में बताती है पेरेंट इवैल्यूएशन मतलब पेरेंट्स को एग्जाम देनी है, सब व्हाट्सएप में उसने मैसेज किया है पेरेंट्स को।
आशावरी आपके पेरेंट्स को एग्जाम देनी है?
सर मम्मी ने बोला था सर, किसी ने मुझे रिमूव कर दिया मीटिंग में।
हेलो प्लीज स्टूडेंट एलेक्स डोंट डू दैट।
एलेक्स हमें
Okay.
रिमूव कर दिया मीटिंग में से।
एलेक्स डिवाइस से थोड़े दूर बैठिए। ओके आशावरी, ओके पेरेंट्स को एग्जाम नहीं लिखना है बेटा, आपको क्या करना है कि पेरेंट्स ने जो हेल्प की है ना उसके ऊपर उनके लिए कुछ क्वेश्चन होंगे। ओके तो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिखने। एलेक्स ओके प्रणीता प्रणीता
सर प्रोजेक्ट इज हैंड रिटेन।
या प्रणीता आपको प्रोजेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन अप, आपको प्रोजेक्ट हैंड रिटन चाहिए। ओके
थैंक यू सर।
सर पर हम लोग टाइप नहीं कर सकते टाइप।
नो एलेक्स
बहुत
सॉरी,
project
आपको
है,
टाइप
sir.
आपको हैंड रिटन आपको लिखना है बेटा। ओके
अच्छा सर अगर मेरा प्रोजेक्ट पहला होगा तो मैं भेज दूं प्रोजेक्ट?
एलेक्स आप भेज दिए, अगर होता है तो अच्छी बात है, वेरी गुड, आप भेज दीजिए।
थैंक यू सर।
मुझे एक
सर
डाउट
एक
है सर।
डाउट है सर।
हाँ सबिया बोलिए,
डाउट है
बोलिए सबिया।
सर, वो जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसको लिखने
हाँ।
के बाद अपलोडिंग नहीं आता है मम्मी को मेरी। उसका
Okay,
पीडीएफ कैसे असाइनमेंट में अपलोड?
सबिया
मतलब
आफ्टर दिस पीरियड मैं आपको बता दूंगा, मैं पर्सनली कॉल करूंगा, आपको बता दूंगा कि आपको कैसे अपलोड करना है बेटा। ओके डोंट वरी।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
ओके स्नेहा क्लियर? यू हैव एनी डाउट?
Yes sir, I have a doubt.
आशावरी प्लीज वेट। स्नेहा टेल।
सर वो प्रोजेक्ट का पोर्टफोलियो पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेजना है कि चौके वर्ड फॉर्मेट में?
आपको पीडीएफ ही बना दीजिए, एक ही फाइल बना दीजिए, लास्ट पेज में पोर्टफोलियो अटैच कर दीजिए। ओके
प्रोजेक्ट के साथ ही की सेपरेट सर?
प्रोजेक्ट के साथ ही भेज दीजिए, एक ही फाइल बना दीजिए। ओके
सर आप इंस्टाग्राम में हो क्या सर?
आशावरी प्लीज डोंट आस्क मी पर्सनल क्वेश्चन।
फेसबुक।
Okay, don't worry. After this period, I will send you a request. Okay, you please accept that.
सर मुझे भी प्लीज सर, हमें भी।
Okay, all of you, Alex पक्का. Okay, लेकिन
Thank
accept
you,
जरूर
sir.
करना. Okay, I hope
जरूर,
आपके
sir.
doubts clear होंगे. Can you wind up now?
हाँ जी सर।
Okay,
sir.
चलो
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Take care. Bye.
Bye sir, bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye बेटा. Bye.
Good morning, children.
Good
morning, teacher.
Teacher.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग टीचर।
Can you all hear me?
यस टीचर।
Yes, teacher.
Yes miss, we can hear you.
Good morning.
No, miss.
Miss Asha
I
will
can't
always
see
have
your
network problem.
I can't see your screen, miss.
What happened, Asa?
Miss, network
Can't you hear me?
In Vasai there's network issue today. Shibina, Miss Ashavari is right.
Miss, Eric network is lying.
Alex lying.
No, there is no network issue. Everything is proper. I can see you all.
Okay, miss.
Miss, today Sabir is celebrating her birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy
birthday, dear Sabir.
Done?
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Sing happy birthday song? No, wait. We all will sing together. I'll say 1, 2, 3. That time you can sing.
Teacher.
Okay. Now all of you say say
It's
1,
okay.
2, 3. Can start.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday,
Happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday
birthday to
dear
you,
Sabiha.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sabiha.
Thank you so much. Thank you
birthday,
everyone
Sabiha.
for making this day
Miss,
special.
my
Yes,
daddy's
Manisa.
birthday.
Sabiha.
today. I call him Miss.
No, don't
Hey,
call
family
him.
birthday है.
Class, no.
Every lecture somebody's birthday.
Us. Don't call him here.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Alex,
Happy birthday, uncle.
Thank you.
Yes.
This
Teacher, Cornelda,
Gunilda, what is happening there? Gunilda, stop it. Your camera.
I think
Who is that? My God, Asavari, what is happening there? Switch off your camera. See, children, you are not supposed
Teacher,
to do all this.
teacher.
Look
When
here,
we
teacher.
suppose we are in school, you do all this? No, we have a separate time for all that. So don't do all this during the class. Yes, Pranita. And children, you don't know, you have an option to raise your hand. It is not like this. You have an option there. Okay, you have to press that button. Okay, tell me, Pranita.
Teacher, see my drawing. I made this. Can you see?
Oh, very beautiful. Very nice. Isn't it, children?
Wow,
Really nice.
nice
Huh?
drawing.
Very good, Pranita.
Every teacher she shows keeps on showing a drawing every
Oh,
time.
God. Gunilda, mute
Teacher, my
yourself.
new cap.
On
Teacher,
everything
my
you
new
have to
cap.
comment.
He made
Sabiha
me
gave
also.
me for birthday gift. It's her gift.
Oh, thank
wow.
you.
Nice.
He's my best friend, so I gave him. Others I will
Thank
give
you,
free
Sabiha.
Okay, all of you mute yourself.
My new eraser.
Asavari. Enough. Stop it. Now let's start. Okay, let's do one thing, children. It's Children's Day now today. I'm so sad that we know that we at school.
Oh, wow.
So we'll do
Today not
one
today.
thing.
Wow, happy Children's Day to all.
Yeah, let's have some fun. Okay. Let me play some song. We all will dance. Yeah?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
No studies. Yay.
Yeah. All of you get ready. We are going to dance.
Yes, miss. Yes. Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
Somebody wait for the song.
Happy Children's Day, Cornelda. Happy Children's Day. Thank you, Shibira Miss. Thank you, Shibira Miss. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Happy Children's
Enjoy
Day.
your day.
Take care,
Bye-bye.
all of you.
Princess Myra, Princess Myra, Princess Myra.
Here I am.
I am overwhelmed. I thoroughly enjoyed the online lectures, and the best part was the mute and the unmute. Wow!
So now you have got this, what exactly happens in online classes.
Wow, it's incredible. By the way, Princess Myra,
Yes.
I have learned a lot from you. I will take all the qualities to my kingdom. But tell me one thing. Are your kids, your students, only good in studies?
No, not at all. They are good in studies as well as in dance.
Dance?
Yes.
Oh God, that's so tiring. Goodness gracious.
Dance has a creativity in itself. Children express through dance their emotions.
Can I please witness that?
Definitely, sir. You will witness that.
Oh, so I command the universe to give you happiness. Thank you so much, Princess Myra.
You're welcome. King Nod.
एक दिन मोहब्बत ओढ़ कर एक दिन गली के मोड़ पर तेरी हथेली पर लिखूं मेरा नाम तेरे नाम पर। फिर तू तकल्लुफ छोड़ कर फिर तू झुका करके नजर रखना मेरे कांधे पे सर जिंदगी। कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी। कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी। रात में तेरे खत पढ़ेंगे साथ में कोरा जो पन्ना रह गया एक कांपते से हाथ में। थोड़ी शिकायत करना तू थोड़ी शिकायत मैं करूं नाराज बस ना होना तू जिंदगी। कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी।
I know, children, that things have not been easy for you in the past 2 years. It is still just like a roller coaster ride. But I want you to know that despite everything that is happening around, your lecturers are working non-stop to make quality education available to you on ClickUp. Lastly, I would like to end by a good tip. To ensure your academic success is to keep to your normal routine. And remember, children, whatever you do it with dedication and sincerity. Hoping to see you all soon. Miss you and love you.
Good morning, students. I would love to introduce you our dynamic academic director, Ma'am Elizabeth Ashley, whom you are very familiar with. Her wonderful stories and quotes that brighten up our day. I am sure that children, once you listen to her, you will definitely be enriched. On this lovely day, we call upon our students to chin up and smile and enjoy the day with fun, frolic, and happiness. I welcome you, dear ma'am, to address the children on this, their special day.
In the words of Michelle Obama, your success will be determined by your own confidence and fortitude. A warm and happy morning to all my adorable students. Let me narrate a short story. One day, a father approached his son who was studying and told him, if you study with the same fervor and complete all your work with dedication and passion, I will reward you at the end of the academic session. The son, like any one of you, was excited to hear that his father would gift him something if he worked hard and complete all his tasks faithfully. His happiness knew no bounds, and he promised himself that he would make his parents feel proud, live up to their expectations, and earn the gift that his father had promised him. He consistently worked hard the whole year and secured good grades and encouraging remarks from his teachers. The day finally dawned wherein he was to receive his gift from his father. His father came to him, congratulated him, and took him to their garage. The father opened the shutter of the garage and showed his son an old car that was there and said, "This was my gift from my dad, and today, with great pride, I gift this to you for all your hard work and dedication." The son was shocked to get this old car as his gift, for he was expecting something new and exciting from his father. He was disappointed and angry too. His father sensed his son's feelings of disappointment. The father took his son close to him and told him, "Tomorrow you will have to take this car to the used car lot downtown and tell them that you want to sell it and see how much they will offer you." The son wanted to retaliate and express his anger, but he refrained and decided to obey his father. The next morning, the son took the car to the used car lot and told them that he wants to sell it. He returned back to his father and said, "They offered me $1,000 for they said that the car is too worn out." The father then told the son to take the car to the place where old scrap things are sold. The son went to this place, returned back and told his father, "They offered me $100 for they said that the car is too old." Finally, the father told his son to take the car to a car club. The son went to the car club, returned and told his father, "Some people in the club have offered me $1 lakh for they said that the car is an iconic vintage model sought after by many." The father once again took his son close to him and told him, "I wanted you to know that the right place will value you the right way. Those who know your value are those who will appreciate you." My dear student, this story tells us that the right people will value us in the right way. But I narrated the story to draw home another very important fact of life that I want each one of you to remember all your life. And the fact is, if you want others to value you, you must first value yourself. You must know your worth. And for this, you need to take care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. You need to groom yourself and grow each day. Never fear to accept challenges and always show courage to get up after a failure and soar like eagles. Do you know, children, that the only bird that can dare peck at an eagle is the crow? The crow sits on the eagle's back and bites it. But the eagle does not respond, nor does it fight with the crow. It simply spreads its wings and rises higher and higher. The higher the eagle flies, the harder it becomes for the crow to breathe. And then, due to lack of oxygen, the crow falls down and the eagle is free. So my dear children, stop wasting your time after the crows of life. The crow represents all the challenges and hurdles of life. It represents everything that is pecking at you, disturbing you, hindering you, and challenging you from growing. So, when life challenges you, go higher. When there seems to be endless problems pecking at you, go higher. You are born to win. So, along with achieving excellence in academics, you need to spend some time with yourself, learning new skills, imbibing good values, and enhancing your personality. Smile often and be happy always, for this world needs happy and wholesome human beings to make it a better place. Remember, the future belongs to you. In the Bible, Jesus tells his disciples not to stop the little children from coming to him, for he said that the kingdom of heaven belongs to children. So, my dear children, know that you are very precious to the Lord Almighty, precious to your parents, precious to our institution and to the world. Each one of you is very unique and beautifully carved by the Almighty in His own image. There is something we can never buy, and that is our childhood days. So make the best out of it and enjoy your childhood. Always make your parents feel proud of you and be thankful and grateful for all the goodness and blessings that are bestowed upon you. Enjoy your day and wishing a very happy Children's Day to all my lovely children. God bless, love you, thank you.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 ना। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
कंधों को किताबों के बोझ में झुकाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो फ्री और लाच छड़ी। लिख लिख कर पड़ा हथेली पर है बीता गाँव का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा बचपन चला डाला।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। कभी हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल दे, चल दे। कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं, चल दूं। मैं थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हूँ, तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी। आने दो, दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो, दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय। लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी। Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, students. Today, you'll witness very much inspirational speeches from your favorite teachers, Teacher Momita, Teacher Dinah, Teacher Hilda, and Teacher Rekha, as they take you for a tour around the school to all your favorite places. So join us, come with us, and enjoy this favorite trip.
The lockdown has led to breakdown of our normal routine. Nowhere is the statement more true than in the lives of our school kids. School life holds so many nostalgic memories for all of us, be it running to board the school bus, meeting friends before the first bell, sharing tiffin during the lunchtime, or sharing notes with our friends. My dear children, without you, the school is merely a structure of cement and brick. It's you who define it. It is very painful to see the classrooms bearing deserted look. It's your presence that infuses life to school. Just pray we get back to those days very soon. Love you all, my dear children.
Each one of you, dear students, is an important part of the Vidya Vikasini High School family. This school assembly area seemed so deserted without your presence. The school assembly area was the first place where we would gather together for the assembly prayer. Besides this, we have had a number of other activities like the sports drill, club activities, various competitions, and rehearsals for different programs. I'm sure we are not too far away from the reopening of the schools and get back to the normal routine of life. I pray for God's blessings on each one of you and good health wherever you may be.
2020 was a topsy-turvy year, and the new normal kept us away from a lot. As India entered into a countrywide lockdown last year to contain the spread of COVID, our life has not been the same. Is there anything more joyful than the sounds of kids at play? The happiness on your faces and the sounds of bliss in your voice shows how much you enjoy playing in this playground. Children, this playground will get back its beauty once you are back. And I guess that day is not far away.
Let me introduce myself. I am a great place to gain knowledge. I serve each person differently. I am the building with number of stories. Find me, who am I? A library. You guessed it right. I have long, huge tables and many chairs, but no one to visit. Doors and windows open, but no one to enter. All cupboards shut with your friends in, and no one to talk to them. The books, your best friends, are all missing each of you. I miss all those cute and interesting conversations with your friends at the table. Of course, I know you do miss the library, but the new normal demands us to stay indoors and be safe, as health is wealth. You can still meet your friends through various digital apps and even purchase them and style for yourself a small and simple library of your choice. So, our library is asking you to select good friends, stay connected with them, and spend quality time with them through quality reading. Thank you. See you soon.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so well. I'm not crying. Well, these are tears of happiness. Princess Myra, Princess Myra,
I'm here.
I'm so glad I left my kingdom for a while and I came to your kingdom. It's a beautiful place. I want to make my kingdom the land of Nod, happy, cheerful, and talented. Can you please do something for me?
Definitely yes. I give you the spot of talent. Take it to your kingdom, and your kingdom will be filled with happiness now and forever.
Thank you, Miss Myra. Can I please take a leave?
Yes, dear.
Bye.
Lord, bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां छना छना के तेरा पान दूंगा नक नब छना छना के तेरा पान दूंगा नक हाय मैं कबूतर फंसे आके और कोई फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना छनो झनक तेरा पान दूंगा नक मैं तो छनो झनक तेरा पान दूंगा नक मैं तो छनो झनक तेरा पान दूंगा नक मैं तो छनो झनक तेरा पान दूंगा नक मैं कबूतर फंसे आते और कोई फंसे बिना 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 ये बात न मैंने मानी क्यों इतनी खुश है दीवानी तू मुझको ऐसी कहानी समझा दे
ये बात है सबने चाही मिले जन्मों का हम राही यहाँ हुआ है कुछ ऐसा ही समझे ना
अब मैं जाना कह रही हो क्या फसाना हो
प्यार करने से भी मुश्किल है निभाना हो
हेलो हेलो डोंट माइंड मेरा ये कहना ये लो जरा मेरे टच में रहना
ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां धड़के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां
Hi children, how are you all? First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Children's Day and all the best. How do you like being at home? Do you enjoy? I'm sure no. All must be longing to come back to the school, and your lovely, loving teachers are waiting for you to welcome. So, all of you are welcome to the school at the earliest. If you like to come to the school, tell your parents to give the consent, and we will start. And once again, wish you a happy Happy Children's Day. May God bless you.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's